That's why austerity is called tapasya. Because tapasya comes from the word tap, and tap means pain, and tap means fire. Tapo divyam puchakayena sattvam shudyed yashmad brahmasokyam tvanantam. In Rishabhadev's teachings in 5th canto of Bhagavatam, he's telling his sons, now they're not living in Vrindavan as sadhakas doing bhajan. They're princes, they're yuvarajas, they're enjoyers. They're surrounded by wealth and opulence and chapan bhog. And he's saying, listen, I had all this, I did all this, I left it all. So I want to leave you some good teachings. So I don't know when you'll be able to follow these teachings because you're young. And I was young, but I left everything at a young age. So Rishabhadev, or whatever age, he told them, he said, you perform divine austerities, transcendental tapasya, fasting and serving the Lord. Tapo divyam putrakayena sattvam. Oh my putra, putrakayena, oh my sons, you'll become sattva, you'll become balanced, peaceful, pure, sattva. Shudyed yashmad brahmasokyam tvanantam. Shudyed yashmad, should. When you become sattvic, then you become pure. Your mind will become pure, your senses will become pure, your life will become pure. Then you'll begin to realize the Paramatma, or realize God, and then you'll experience, or realize Brahman, Brahma Sokyam Tvanantam. So Brahmananda or Premananda, the Brahma Suk, Brahma Sokyam Tvanantam. Tvam, you will realize by tapasya, by divine tapasya, tapo divyam, tapasya connected with divinity, tapasya connected with Vishnu and Krishna, or even Brahman, that's also divinity, will give you anand, happiness, unending, ananta. So therefore, there is some value, great value to doing tapasya. But our tapasya is vacho vegam, manasakota vegam, jiva vedam, udarapasta vegam. Our tapasya, our breath is, okay, now it's Chaturmasya. I'm going to, what is my breath? My breath is Upadeshamrita by Rupa Goswami, verse number 1. Every day for 120 days, I'm going to try my best to follow this tapasya of controlling my speech, controlling my mind, controlling my belly, controlling my genital. Vachu vegam, manasakrota vegam, jiva vedam, udarapasta vegam. The vegam, the pushings, the demands, the desires, the hankerings, the wants. I'm going to try to subdue it and control it. Not deny it, not annihilate it, not stop it, but control it. Don't be controlled by your tongue, control your tongue. Don't be controlled by loose speech, control your speech and speak about Krishna and Guru and Braj and all spiritual things.